Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. I am R. Venkateswara Rao, School Assistant of English from SSR ZBHS Bhimanupalli. My aim is here to teach you prepositions thoroughly. Today, I'm going to teach you a wonderful grammar section, prepositions. All of you, please take out your notebook, pen, and put heading prepositions and write today day and date. Firstly, let's learn what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Preposition typically indicate location, direction, time, manner, or other relationships between the words in a sentence. There are some common prepositions: words of location, in, on, at, by, with, under, above, beside. Words of directions: to, from, up, down, in, out, through. Words of time: at, on, during, before, after. Words of manner: by, with, in. Types of prepositions. There are several types of prepositions. Simple prepositions, example, in, on, at. Phrasal prepositions or complex prepositions, example, in front of, on top of. Compound prepositions, inside, outside. Now let's learn the prepositions in detail with the help of the pictures. In, there is a little girl in the room. Into, a boy is walking into the room. On, there is a book on the table. Upon, a cat jumps upon a rat. Onto, a man is climbing onto a tree. Above, there are two flowers above the little girl's head. Beneath, there is an apple beneath the branch. Under, there is a swan under the table. Underneath, there is a cow underneath a tree. Up, a hiker is going up the mountain. Down, he is walking down the hill. Along, there are beautiful flower trees along the road. Along with, a king came along with his wife and children. Towards, Tom is walking towards the town. By, a rat was killed by the cat. With, George is plowing his field with a tractor. From, the little girl is from America. Out of, a bird is flying out of a cage. Inside, there is a tiger inside the cage. Outside, there is a car outside the house. Among, there is a boy among the girls. Between, Eliza stands between her two brothers. To, a woman is going to the bank. At, a beautiful girl is at a park. Beyond, the sun is beyond the mountain. Before, a boy is walking before his sister. Behind, a little girl hides behind the trees. In front of, Mary stands in front of a mirror. Opposite, there is a house opposite the police station. Beside, a boy stands beside his sister. Besides, Robert has a bike besides a car. Across. A young man is walking across the road. Since Ramesh has been working in this factory since 2000. For Honey has been playing video game for 5 hours. About. She's speaking about artificial intelligence. Over. The butterflies are flying over her head. Throughout. The river flows throughout the city. Past. The car is past the house. Like. She sings songs like a professional singer. Against. He's against the new policy. Without. He can't imagine his life without music. Despite the rain, they're playing happily. During. We stay indoors during the rain.